In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Facebook conversions, an easy integration you can complete in just 5 minutes. So let's get started with this straightforward process to enhance your marketing capabilities by leveraging the power of both platforms. First, open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is the starting point for this integration and where you can access a suite of tools tailored for your business needs. Once there, you will see the login option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and input your login credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you have any trouble logging in, make sure to check your details or try resetting your password through the help options available. Upon successfully logging into HubSpot, you'll land on the HubSpot homepage. From here, you need to navigate to the marketplace, which can be accessed by clicking on the marketplace icon prominently located in the toolbar on the screen. This icon is your entryway to a wide array of integrations and apps that can extend the capabilities of your HubSpot account. Once you're in the marketplace, look for the apps section. Clicking on apps opens up a list of all the available applications you can integrate with HubSpot. It's essentially the one-stop shop for enhancing the functionality of your HubSpot experience, and you'll find it very useful to explore other integrations in the future as well. After accessing the apps section, you need to search for Meta, as Facebook is now part of the Meta brand. You will find Meta listed among the top selections due to its popularity and wide range of services it offers to businesses using HubSpot. Select Meta to proceed with the next steps of the installation. When you click on Meta, you will be taken to the integration details page. Here you're presented with the option to install the Facebook app. Click on Install App to begin the linking process between HubSpot and Facebook conversions. This step is crucial as it enables the direct flow of conversion data from Facebook into your HubSpot account, simplifying your tracking and optimizing your marketing strategies. And there you have it. You've now successfully connected HubSpot to Facebook conversions. With both platforms linked, you can now accurately monitor and adjust your advertising strategies using detailed analytics and insights provided by the integration. This seamless connection makes it easier to translate your social media efforts into valuable data, helping to refine and enhance your business's marketing prowess. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to streamline your marketing processes with this effective integration. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll gladly help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.